It is paraben free, formaldehyde donor free, synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, and cruelty free. So that's what it says on the packaging, and it comes in this nice. So my thoughts about what I think about this serum. Okay, so the first thing that comes to me, that strikes me, is actually the color. Many vitamin C containing products are colored orange, yellow, but because it contains acerola cherry as part of its formula, it comes in this nice cherry colored packaging, which I absolutely love. I also love that the packaging is colored to prevent it from degrading over time and oxidizing, which makes it ineffective. And I also like that it comes in this beautiful pump that is airtight. So literally the only way air can enter it is if you open it out like this. Yeah, so it comes in this airtight packaging that I really like, with a very nice functional pump. So this package is really airtight. Product only comes out of it when you want product to come out of it. So I really like that about it. I think the packaging is very cute and functional at the same time, so I have to give them that. And when it comes to the texture of the serum, the texture of the serum is very light. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So that's the texture of the serum right there. When you massage it into the skin, it leaves obviously a nice transparent glowy cast, which is slightly, ever so slightly tacky, not tacky enough for me to be bothered, but it's that tiny bit of tackiness on the serum, which I like. I just like the way it feels. That makes my skin feel really supple. And what do I think about this serum? I think that this serum is amazing. It contains vitamin C, which is really nice, and my skin looks visibly brighter after applying it. I also like that it contains hyaluronic acid, which is really nice. I think that this is really ingenious of them to have a combination of a brightening ingredient and a hydrating ingredient, which makes this serum particularly beautiful to use, because it hydrates and plumps your skin while also brightening your skin, and those effects are those effects are quite visible after application. So the next one I'd like to talk about is about the price point. It costs about $62 or $66 if I'm not mistaken, and that price point is it's a lot. I would not mind what it's a lot of money. I would not be able to afford this serum if it wasn't sent to me in PR. It's a whole lot of money to spend on a serum. Do I think it is worth it? Yes, I think it has a nice combination of products, the hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Although vitamin C would not help you with hyperpigmentation that much, so to speak, the effects are not as visible. It will help to brighten your skin, give you an overall bright, your skin will be bright, have a brighter look, but it's not help to clear out hyperpigmentation such as the one I have here. Any of that's not going to do that, but it's going to help your skin look brighter. I think it's nice. I think it's costly, but if you have the coins to spend, yes, it's a lovely serum. I have no complaints about the serum. I've had a lovely experience using it, but it is just that it is really expensive. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would totally recommend it if you have the coins. It's a lovely serum. It's a lovely daytime serum. I love to use this in the morning. It makes my skin look really glowy and makes my face look glowy even when I'm not using makeup. And I really like this serum altogether. It's one of the best serums I have used in a long time in terms of quality and in terms of how it makes my skin look after application. I also like the ingredient list. I like that it's paraben free as usual, and it is also synthetic fragrance free. So it is really, so with this product, I think it's really up to you and how much you have in your pocket. If you have the coins, $62, $66, I think it's $62 to bring out for the serum. Yeah, but if you don't, well, no problem. But I think it's a really nice serum, and that it is really great to have. And I'm about to run out of it, and I'm just like really sad. But yeah, that's what I think about it. What do you think about the Farmacy Beauty Very Cherry Bright Serum? Have you used it before? What do you think about it? Do you think it is worth the price point? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the product, and then will you be purchasing it, and have you purchased it? Currently Farmacy Beauty is having a sale of some of their having a sale on their website of some of their kits and some of their products. I'll be linking those down in the description bar below, so you guys can check those out. And I'd just like to know what you guys think about the product. Without further ado, Thank you so much for watching. I'd like to know any other videos you guys would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and have a pleasant day. Bye bye.